In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume footprint in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you've selected the chart you want to work with. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see your candles or bars, we're ready to bring up the volume footprint feature. Start by moving your mouse to the top of the chart and clicking on the indicators button. This is usually located near the top toolbar, close to where you change your timeframes and chart type. When you click indicators, a panel will pop up. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and custom scripts live, and it's where we'll search for the volume footprint display. Inside this indicators window, look for the search box at the top. Go ahead and click directly on that search field so your cursor is active there. This is where you'll type in what you're looking for. Instead of scrolling through a long list, using the search box will save you a lot of time and make sure you find the exact indicator you want. Now, in the search box, start typing volume footprint. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter and show any indicators or tools that match that name. Make sure you select the version that matches what you want to use, whether it's a built-in feature or a specific script you've chosen. Once you see the volume footprint option appear in the list, click on it once. TradingView will immediately apply it to your chart. After it's added, you should see the footprint style volume data overlaid on your chart or displayed in a separate panel, depending on the tool you picked. Take a moment to zoom in and out on your chart to make sure everything looks clear. You can open the settings for the indicator by hovering over its name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, opacity, and other visual preferences so the volume footprint is easy to read and matches the way you like to analyze the market. If you want to unlock the full experience and more advanced charting features, including better performance and additional tools, remember to use my affiliate link in the description to sign up for TradingView Pro. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it ensures you're getting the best charting environment for working with volume footprint and other advanced indicators. That's all you need to do to get volume footprint up and running inside TradingView Pro.